In this video we're going to look at sorting data. So in this list on the left I have quite a long list of data. So if we go right to the bottom, you'll see there's 120,000 items in this list. So the sorting menu you'll find in the ribbon under data, and you will see there's a sort and filter tab, and there is the sorting button. So by default what you would do is select a field. Let's suppose I want to sort this data by department, so just click somewhere in that field and then just click that A to Z button and it will sort it ascending. If you want to sort it descending, you just click on the button below that and you will see that music is now on top, and if you go to the bottom, clothing is at the bottom. Also, if you want to go back to your data while you have a session open, you always press Ctrl Z and you will be back at your data. Just a handy tip here: if you have data that you're going to sort and save the file and come back later, it's always handy to have a control numbering like I've done here. So I just got this data here and I've manually added the number 1, 2, 3, 4 right to the bottom, so you just have to filter the first few and then auto fill it, just so that you have a fixed number always to come back to. So if I now filter this, say by date ascending, and I want to go back in a few days, I can just click on this numbering and fill that ascending, and the data will go back into its original format that you got it in. So that's the quick way. So this will work if your data is in a data list. So you don't have to, in the previous old versions of Excel, you had to first select the data, then click on sort, and you could sort it that way. But now in newer versions of Excel, all you need to do is click inside the data and you can then sort by that data. That's basic sorting. So if your sorting is a bit more complicated, you can click here on this sort button, and now what you can do, for instance, say you want to sort by the city, but after the city you can add a level and say after the city I want to sort it by department. So if I click OK now, you'll see it's all the cities, so it's all of Auckland, and then the department inside there is also then sorted first by clothing, and if I scroll down much more you'll see there's groceries and IT. So you can have multiple layers of sorting here. Something that you can also do inside here is you can say I want to sort by city from A to Z, and you can then swap it around. You can say I want to sort this from Z to A, for instance. So you want to sort the department descending and the city ascending, and you can do that way. So if I just go back to my data, something else that you can sort by that people don't use much is if I click on this sort, I can sort any column. So I'm going to leave it on number, but what you can do is sort on the cell color, and you'll see now if you click on the color you can have first no color, then green highlighted, then red highlighted. So I'll make the no color go to the bottom, click OK, and now you'll see on top you first have the colored cells and then the non-colored cells. If you click on, you want all the green, you can add a level, you can pick the same one, then you can say I want all the yellow, so you can say that on top, add one more level, again by color, and this time I say no color on top. So now if I sort by this, you'll see first green, then yellow, and then the unfiltered. So you can sort by color as well. In this case you'll see I have used the cell color. You can also use the font color if you wanted to, or if you have a conditional formatting icon you could use that as well. So like I said in the beginning, it's always handy to have a control row. If you sort by that, you'll see that the data goes back to its original format you got it in. Something else in sorting that people don't often know is that you can sort horizontal as well, so you can sort sideways. If I select this data here, click on sort, and on top you'll see there's a button called options, and here you can say sort left to right. Click OK, and I want to sort on row 2, and now if you look at this row here, you'll see it gets sorted from clothing to music in an ascending order. So that's what you can do in sorting with Excel. Hi, this is Anton from the Data Developer channel. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up below and subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching.